This is Iron Trader. It is Sunday night. Now the futures opened here about 45 minutes ago. So we're going to take a look here at the crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, here your daily chart. Now, as I've been pointing out here, this key 50 SMA, okay? So now we've had 3 days above it. Very nice green candles here. Now, if you look at this 8 SMA here, okay, it's curling up nice. It went above the 21 SMA here, and now it looks like it wants to get above that 50 SMA here. So as that curls up, that's going to be key support level here. See how it's all holding? So if that rounds up, that can push the price right on up. So this is going to be key support here now. So you want to watch that 50-day sitting at 71.31. This key 8-day sitting at 71.31. And then right below it here, we have the 21 SMA sitting at 70.45. Now, again, if that is lost, then we want to do is come down to this candle here, okay? So you're looking here at 68.93. Then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 68.14. And then we have 67.35, 67.05. And then your big retest here is 66.80. Now, if this can get above and close above this key 100 SMA here at 73.77, then what we want to do is look to this candle here, because that will be your target. It'll be 75.06. And then we just keep going to the left. So you want to look at this candle here. You're looking at 76.11 here. This is 76.69. And then your big target here is 77.44. Now, your 200-day is still on the downtrend line. Your 100 SMA is still on the downtrend line. Okay, same way with your 50. But what I really like about this now is this 8-day. If this can keep on going, cross over this here, this 50-day, by tomorrow, this is going to be key support levels here. So if this falls down here, the buying opportunity is going to be at this 8 SMA, which will be higher than the 71.31 here by tomorrow morning, okay? So always look at that as key support, the 50-day at key support, and then this key 21-day, that is the big support at 70.45. So let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. Okay, here's your monthly chart. Now, obviously your 50 SMA here is holding in real nice here at 66.48. And now you're above this key 200-day sitting at 72.79. Now that's going to become very, very key support. Okay, now if you can get higher, then what we want to do is look at this 8 SMA here sitting at 75.04. That is going to be your upside big target. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, this is looking pretty good. However, look at this 21 SMA, okay? So Friday, when you look at this, where did the price go? Right into that 21 SMA, and so far it can get above. Now, this 8 SMA is trying to creep up, but you got to get it where it crosses above. Then you have a nice target up here of 79.03. So what you want to do is watch this key level here, 73, 78. And then key support here is going to be 71.75. And then if that's lost, then we look here to Friday's low here. You're looking at 69.69. And then obviously your big support level here is 67.70. But you can see how this 200-day is now on the rise. See, look at all the key support here, and it's on the rise here. Now what this needs to do is just push up. Then we look over to the left hand, all these candles here, 75.06 here. You got 76.69 here, and just keep riding those candles right on up here, okay? So that would be the target here. But watch a key 21, watch this key 8 SMA. That's going to be the tell for tomorrow. Okay, so let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have natty gas here, your hourly and your 4-hour chart, okay? Now we had some sideways action, but when you look at here, 2.82, and then we look over here, okay, 2.79, okay, what you had basically is a double top on your hourly chart. And where to go, when you get that, it always goes down lower. Now, you put in a 2.53 on the bottom. That's going to be key support if you have a sell down. So far today, you have a good green candle. So what you want to do on the upside is watch this key 21. 2.619, and then watch this 50, 2.63, and then you have your retest here at 2.67. Okay, on the downside, watch this 8 SMA here, 2.59. If that is lost, then we look to the bottom of the candle. You're looking at 2.57. Then we have here, you have 2.56, and then your big retest here is going to be 2.53. Now, here on your 4-hour chart, see you had a really nice pattern here of higher lows, okay? And then on Friday, it kind of rolled right on over here. Now, see, I don't like the way this 50 SMA here. See how that rolled? See how your 21 SMA here rolled? And then your 8 SMA here, okay? So that's going to be key resistance at 2.61. So that's going to be very key here. And see, I don't like this. See, high, lower high, lower high. That's never good. That always takes the price right on down. So your big key support level here is going to be this 2.48 here, your 200 SMA here, and then your key resistance levels here is going to be this 100 SMA here at 2.66, your 21 here at 2.67, and then your 50 SMA here at 2.69. Let's take a look here on the old daily chart. All right, on your daily chart, it just looks like, see, you're ping-ponging, okay? So what you want to look on the upside is look at this key 2.66. That is going to be, that is your 8 SMA right there. That's going to be very key resistance. If you can get above, then we look at this candle here. You're looking at 2.68. Then we have 2.793. We have 2.82. And then you have your big retest up here at 2.878. On the downside, watch this key 21 SMA here. You're kind of like playing ping pong right between here. It's getting very, very tight. So you get a squeeze going. So she's either going to go up or she's going to go down one way or the other. So you right here, you got 2.56. That's going to be your key support level here. And then what we want to do is look at this 50 SMA if it comes down. You're looking at 2.41. And then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.37. So that is your downside action. The key is going to be the 21 SMA on the bottom and your key 8 SMA here up on the top. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly, see what's going on. Okay, on your monthly chart, well, you can see right there. See that 8 SMA? See how it goes right in and it cannot get through. That's very, very key resistance. You're sitting at 2.76. So you really need to get above that. Then you got a shot here at the 100 SMA here. Then you got a shot here at the 50 SMA here. But until then, you got to get past that 8 SMA here. Okay, that's going to be the key. And I say your 100 SMA, 3.25, your 50 SMA sitting at 3.67. Then we have your 200 SMA sitting at 4.08. But the key is going to be this 8, 2.76. That is going to be the key. Okay, so now here on your weekly, well, you still got the nice bullish cross here. Okay, you look at your 8 SMA. You're sitting at 2.52, and that is above your 21. That's always a good sign. If it rolls back over, well, then, not so much. So you want to watch the key 21-day if this 8 SMA here is lost. And then you could, look at the bottom of these candles here, and that is going to be your support levels, bottom line here, okay? And then on the upside, you want to look at that price channel. You're sitting at 3.027, which is this candle right there, okay? So if you get above, your big target here is 3.75. But right now, it just looks like the same sideways action. You're going to need some kind of a big catalyst, some kind of a disruption, something to come through to take this natty gas higher. Okay, well, that's it for tonight. So I tell you what, I'll be here tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will review crude oil here and natural gas. Thanks for watching.